Need condition monitoring for multiple assets across multiple locations with one system? Here is RMEYE from Rugged Monitoring, the world's first AI-driven asset performance management system. Now monitor transformers, switchgear, rotating machines, or power electronics, keeping your critical assets in check. RMEYE uses advanced analytics algorithms to detect anomalies and potential faults, giving deep insights into asset conditions with Health Index, Risk Index, and Criticality Index analytics. Its customizable interface allows users to personalize dashboards, set alerts, and get granular views of specific assets. Whether it's real-time monitoring of critical parameters, predictive maintenance scheduling, or trend analysis, RMEYE offers a robust set of functionalities to meet the evolving demands of modern industries. Not just that, you also get real-time alarms and notifications for asset and power failures instantly sent via SMS or email, so you're always in the know. Access RMEYE from your desktop, tablet, or mobile, anywhere, anytime. RMEYE, your window into real-time condition monitoring data.